First of all, log into your Zoho mail account. Now, on the top right corner, click on Settings icon. And then look for Offline option. Or, you can simply click on Enable Offline button from top. Check on Enable Offline Mail button to configure it. Zoho lets us to get mails from not more than last 3 days on offline mode. So, we will just select 30 days. Select Include Attachments and hit Next. Select Remove All Data to remove all the mails once you log out of this browser. And click Next. Now, save it. Hit Reload, and it will start syncing mails for offline use. You can check the progress here. Do not disconnect internet until it is finished. And the syncing is complete. Now, for easy access, we will bookmark the inbox page. For that, click on the star button on the address bar. Or, press Ctrl+D. After that, the link will show up on bookmark bar. If your bookmark bar is hidden, press Ctrl+Shift+B. And there it is. Now you will be able to use your mails offline on Zoho Mail.